Good morning all. Today we'll see the first lab program, okay, which is an applet to add, remove, select an item in a list. To add, remove, select an item in a list. Okay, to write this Java program, we need to include some of the import files. Okay, those are java.awt, Java applet, and since we are using list, we use events. Okay, list is like if you have a list like this. Okay, if you have a list like this, okay, you will be having different subjects. Okay, exams alli irutte alva, exams alli ಯಾವ ಟೈಪ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಒನ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಆಡೆಡ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, that's what we are doing, adding, removing. Here we are adding from list 1, we are removing. Okay, we are selecting the content. Okay, this is about first program. Okay, in this, class name will be our list will be our class name. It will be it extends applet. Since we are using list, we use listeners. Okay, we use listeners. First, we need to set all our list to empty. Okay, empty means we need to set all our list to null. Okay, after setting that, we need to create a text field so that we can add some text in that. Okay, now we are starting init function. Okay, now we are starting init function. In that, we need to create a label. Okay, label means name given to a button or radio button, anything. It's just a name. It doesn't create any action. If you want to create action, you need to add buttons. Either you need to add buttons or labels, or you need to add check buttons, radio buttons. Okay, for that we are using, okay, label. Okay, you can give any name for this. Okay, you can give any name. Okay, here we are creating a new label. This is L1, not 11. Okay, don't get confused. This is L1, small case L and 1. Okay, many people get confused with this, maybe 11. It's not 11, it's L1. Okay, label L1 is equal to new label. In that, you need to specify the label, selected items to remove and add it to another. Select items to be removed and add it to another list. Okay, after adding this, you need to add this label 1 to our screen. That's why we are using add. If you want to add a button, how we will add b1. Okay, in this we are adding a label. That's why we are using add L1. L1 will be your label. Okay, now we started creating a list. Okay, as I explained you before, list may be of 3 types. First one will be a simple list without any parameters. Second will be your list with number of rows to be displayed or visible. Okay, in this you can specify like int 4. Okay, anything you can specify. Okay, and another one will be your list number of rows. It may be 4 or anything, or 5, anything, and multiple choice. If you want to give multiple choice option, either you can give it as true or false. Multiple choice means you can choose many options from a list, from one list, and you can place those options to other list. Okay, these are 3 different types of list. First one is without any parameter, second one is with 1 parameter, third one is with 2 parameters. Here we are using the third list method. Okay, with 2 parameters. Here first new list 4 will be your number of rows to be visible by default, and true will be your multiple selecting objects. Okay, it can be true or false. If it is true, you can select multiple objects or multiple subjects you can select. Okay, if it is false, you're not supposed to choose any multiple subjects. Okay, next, after creating a list, you can add elements to the list. Okay, now a simple list is created. A list is created. Okay, and only four values will be visible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other will be hidden here. If you want to see that, you need to add scroll bars for that. Okay, first one will be your Java. Second will be your A Java. Next is your DBMS. Third one will be your DS. Okay, will be your DS. Okay, fourth one will be C++. Sorry, fifth one will be C++. Sixth one will be C. If you want to see the C++ and C, what you need to do? You need to use scroll bar for that. Okay, you have successfully added all 6 elements to your list. In that, only 4 are visible by default. Okay, now like you added a label, you need to add list to your screen. Add list. Okay, after adding this, you need to listen for the action. For example, if you are clicking on the screen, if you click on the screen, it need to listen the current object, current action. This means current action. This action, current action. Okay, next we are done with one list, and we need to add the removed or clicked or selected items to other list. That's why we need one more list. Okay, we need one more list. Okay, we are labeling it as L2. It's not 1, 2, it's L2. L2, small case L and 2. Okay, we are creating list 2. This is our list 1. Okay, in this new label, removed items added here. Okay, removed items will be added to our next list. Okay, let us give the list as 4. The number of row will be 4, but default we are adding only two elements to it. Okay, 2 elements to it. It may be anything